Hello everyone, welcome to infyGyan. In this video, we'll be solving one exponential equation, that is 1 power x plus 11 power x is equal to 121 power x. So let's get started. I will solve this question by dividing 11 power x. So let's divide equation by 11 power x. So equation will convert into 1 power x over 11 power x plus 11 power x over 11 power x is equal to 121 power x over 11 power x. Now one exponent property will come into the picture, that is a power x over b power x can be written as a over b whole power x. Let's apply. So 1 power x, I will write 1 power x is equal to 1 when x is real. So it will be always 1. Whether x is positive, negative or 0, that value will be 1. So it will be 1 over 11 power x plus 1 is equal to 121 over 11, that means 11 power x. Now let's substitute. Let's put 11 power x is equal to y. So our equation will convert into 1 over y plus 1 is equal to y. Multiply this equation by y. So 1 plus y is equal to y square. Take all the term to right side. Equation will be y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Very unique equation is this. Let us apply quadratic formula. Y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. A will be equal to 1. B is minus 1 here. C is negative 1. Let's apply quadratic formula, that is minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let me put the value. So minus b minus minus plus 1 plus minus square root 1 plus 4 over 2. So value will come out 1 plus minus square root 5 over 2. So values are 1 plus root 5 over 2, 1 minus root 5 over 2. Now if you observe, root 5 is 2.23. I am talking about this root. Root 5 is 2.23606. So if I will take away 2.23606 from 1, so that value will be negative. But y was 11 power x, which is always positive. It cannot be 0, it cannot be negative. So this value will be rejected. So y cannot be accepted as negative. Now come to positive. So y will be equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. This is golden ratio, very important it is. Now let's take the value of y, that is 11 power x, will be equal to 1 plus square root 5 over 2. Now let's put the value of root 5. As we know, root 5 is 2.236. So if I will add 1 to it, 1 plus 2.236 over 2. Now let's take log of this equation. So 11 power x is equal to 3.326 over 2. Now let's take, it is I guess 236. It is 236. Okay. Now take log both sides. So x log 11 equal to log of 3.236 minus log 2. What is that property of log? Let me write it. Log a over b can be written as log a minus log b. So this is your a and b. So log a minus log b. Now divide both sides by log 11. So x will be equal to, log 11 will get cancelled out, log of 3.236 minus log 2 over log 11. Now let's find out the value of log 3.236, log 2 and log 11. Let's put directly. So log 3.236 is 0.51. Log 2, as we all know, 0.3010. Log 11 would be closer to 1, 1.0413. If you will simplify this value, it is coming out 0.2007. So almost its value is equal to 0.2. We will consider x is equal to, approximately it is 0.2. If I neglect the fourth place after decimal, so that value is coming out 0.2. If you want to cross check, you can cross check it. Now PQ question, practice question. So question is 1 power x plus 20 power x is equal to 400 power x. If you solve this, then please submit your answer in comment box. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe my channel.